In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to connect Claude with TradingView. And connecting these two together means that I can just come to Claude and say, do a top-down analysis on BTC and give me a trade setup right now. And Claude will go ahead and analyze that for you automatically. Open your TradingView, look at it, analyze it, look at the indicators you have if you do have one already. And if you don't have, if you ask it to draw support and resistance level, Claude is going to do all of that automatically for you. And that is exactly what I want to show you how to do. So you just need to connect Claude to TradingView, and from Claude you'll be able to access everything. You can see it did top-down analysis. It tells me on the 4 hours time frame, and then it gives me if there is entering, and it tells you what is happening in the market. Looked at the indicators. From in my own case, I have some indicators here, so Claude needs to look at those indicators and tell me to wait. That market is currently consolidating at the moment. Another thing is I can tell Claude to remove drawings on my chart and it will go ahead and remove it. I can tell Claude to restore the indicators, remove indicators, restore them, and it goes ahead and do all of that. I can tell it to switch from BTC right now to Ethereum or from Ethereum to BTC, and Claude will go ahead and do all of that and give you entries as you want. So that's exactly what I want to show you how to do. The first thing you need is you need an account with TradingView, and then you need an account with Claude. Now, these two platforms come with a cost. For TradingView, you need a paid TradingView account, and then for Claude, you equally need a paid account. Currently, I'm doing the monthly subscription with TradingView, which costs around $15, and then Claude costs you about $20. And what this will help you do is it helps takes away. If, for instance, I want to build this indicator that you see on the chart, which is a paid indicator, I can tell Claude to build something like this for me, and Claude will go ahead. I'll be updating you on all of this, all of the progresses, and everything I'm going to do with Claude. I'll be updating you right here. So if you are new, make sure you subscribe. What this helps do is it helps takes away that emotions in you and helps you, if you can stick to the rules and stick to everything that Claude is going to give you, though you still need to add yours. It will help save you a lot in the market. It's something I've been trying out for the past few days that I started using Claude, and it has been amazing, guys. It has been amazing. So the first thing you want to do is you need a paid account with this both platform, and then you need to download TradingView desktop application and then the Claude desktop application as well. Now, once you install these two applications, open up the Claude Code. You don't need to open TradingView because Claude Code will open that automatically. Claude will open it automatically for you. So go to Claude, and here at the top here, you'll see we have the chat option, we have the co-work option, and then we have the code option. So we are using Claude Code for this. So select Claude Code, and once you select it, you will be in a new section like this. And once you're in a new section, down here where it says local, here it will ask you to choose a folder. So click on it and go ahead and create a folder inside of your system, either laptop, it can be maybe on your desktop, on your document, whatever. Create a folder. In my own case, I named it TradingView Claude, and I selected that folder. After that, the next thing is to select the model you want to use. If you want the best, you can always use Opus 4.7, but it consumes a lot of your credit, so I just decided to use the second one. And here where it says accept edit, go ahead and make sure that the second one is checked. And after that, you will now go ahead and add this prompt that I've made available for you. If you need access to the prompt to be able to connect Claude with TradingView, then join us on Telegram. The link will be in the video description, or you can use the link in my bio. Once you're on Telegram, just check out the pin message there, and you'll be able to see the prompts to connect TradingView to. Now, there are many pin messages there, so make sure you're looking for the one that says TradingView and Claude connection. So you just go ahead, copy the first prompt, that's what you need, and go ahead and paste it here and allow Claude to do its thing. It will open up TradingView automatically for you. And after that, after it's set up, you will see it says done. And after it is done, it will now ask you to restart your Claude application. So go ahead and close it and restart it. And after you've restarted it, the next prompt is this one right here. So go ahead and paste the next prompt. These are just the two prompts you need to be able to set up this connection. So once you paste the next prompt, the next thing you want to do is to now use these other additional prompts that I added to check if TradingView, if Claude is truly working. You can ask it to remove indicators from your chart. You can ask it to add indicators to your chart. You can ask it to build a strategy for you. You can ask it to draw support resistance level. It can do top-down analysis for you. Claude can do anything. All you just need to do is just to go ahead and say, hey Claude, look at this for me, and it will go ahead and check it. Hey Claude, what is on my chart? And it will go ahead and pull up what is on your chart. And at the end of the day, you will see that the same information is giving you is the same information that you have on TradingView right here. So it is as simple as that, guys. It is not difficult. So go join us on Telegram, get access to the prompt, and then go ahead and link it up. And if you need help setting this up, we can actually help do that for you for a token. But if not, this video guide is enough. You should be able to set it up. If you encounter any issue, you come across any problem, just let me know in the comment section and I will respond and see how I can help you. Or you can contact us via Telegram. In Telegram, you'll see the details to send us a DM and we'll be able to help you. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified so that all that I do while using Claude to automate my system. Remember, I made a video already that can be making you some passive income, copying pro traders for Poly Market, all on auto mode. I started out with $40, and as I speak with you, my account is up to $300 a day as at the time of recording this video. And it is just the third day of trying out this. So go and set up that. If you have not seen that video, check it out as well. And you will be amazed at the result or the things you can do with Claude. There's no limit. It is not just trading alone. You can use Claude to do a lot of things. If you are paying for it, just make sure that you utilize it very well. Please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, because I notice a lot of you who watch my video don't subscribe. Subscribe, it doesn't cost anything. That way to encourage me to continue to provide free resources like this. That is it for this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video.